Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can repair your old broken MagSafe charger into something like this. Now I've got some black tape in here, that's only because I haven't had time to put some glue in, but if you put some glue in it'll be indistinguishable from a working and brand new MagSafe. Now this repair is only going to work if your MagSafe is broken because of the cable, so that could be because the tip is not working, maybe a frayed cable. So the first thing you want to do is hop onto something like eBay and pick yourself up a replacement cable. So I'm just going to head on to eBay and show you what I purchased. So you're going to want something like this, which is just a cheap £3-4, and you can get it even cheaper if you're willing to wait for it to be shipped from China, but just the cord that attaches from your laptop and back into the socket. Okay, so now let's get to repairing it. So the first thing you want to do is gather your materials. So you're going to need a soldering iron, solder sucker, solder pliers, electrical tape, and of course your MacBook charger and your new cable. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to use a pair of pliers to get into where you usually wrap the cable around, and you'll want to just try busting both sides open. So what should happen is that you should be able to get it into two separate pieces, with the plastic on one side and then the plastic and the rest of the charger on the other side. And what you want to do is you want to undo the electrical tape and lift the metal part. And you want to be very careful here, because there are two capacitors that could be fully charged, which will give you an electric shock. So now what you want to do is you want to locate the black and white cables. Then what you'll want to do is desolder them using your solder sucker, and then just simply solder on your two new ones, and then start to fit everything back together. Put the metal shield back on, add some new electrical tape, add your plastic hooks back on, which you used to wrap around your cable, then the plastic cover, and then here's what you should do: you should use some sort of glue to hold it all together, and there you go, your MacBook charger should be fixed. I just got it all repaired, and I still haven't put any glue on it, but this is going to be the moment of truth. So I'm first going to hook it up to AC power. I'm going to grab the end of the MagSafe, and I'm just going to attach it to the laptop, and boom, we've got a green light that should turn orange, and there we go. And in fact, as it says on the MacBook, it is in fact charging, and there we go. Now one last thing I want to show you is if you head into About This Mac, then System Report, under Power you'll see here that it is in fact charging at 85 watts, which is what this charger is meant to do. And there we have it. So for only £4 we have repaired this MacBook charger, where usually it would cost brand new from Apple £80 or £20 to £30 if you want to buy an eBay knockoff.